Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are having a fantastic day today. It is Thursday, March 6th, and we have now entered spring. The leaves are starting to come back onto the trees, flowers are starting to bloom. I'm excited and looking forward to this new season, and I feel like when spring comes, I always have this urge to kind of organize my house and really do a deep cleaning of it. So that's exactly what I want to share with you guys today. We're going to be going ahead and organizing a few areas that I feel like could use a little bit of help, and then also just doing a deep clean as well. Can't wait to take you along during this process. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, and before we get into this, if we don't know each other yet, hi, my name is Ashlynne, and I make videos twice a week on this channel about minimalism and intentional living. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. And with that being said, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Cashback. And I actually want to purchase a couple of things so that I can better organize our home. So let's go ahead and jump into talking about Cashback, which is what I'm going to be using to purchase some of those items for organizing. I want to thank Cashback for sponsoring this video. Cashback is an amazing way of saving money on your everyday purchases, whether that's for cleaning and organizing your space or anything else. It's an amazing site that lets you get a percentage back on your purchases from over 4,000 retailers like Target, Walmart, Amazon, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and so many more. A few things I love about them are the fact that they have a really easy signing up process. Simply fill out a few of details, and their buying process is really simple as well. You click through to the website that you want to buy from and then make your purchases as normal. There's no minimum payout for the purchases that you make, the cash back that you earn, and you also get a 100% commission for your purchase, which means that Cashback consistently has a higher cashback rate than their competitors. And if you sign up now using the link in the description box, you can actually get a $10 bonus when you spend $25 or more. So that promotion ends April 12th, but I did just want to show you guys some of the items that I ordered for organizing our home through Cashback. I needed a basket for our cleaning supplies and some dividers for our kitchen, so I just clicked through to the Target website from Cashback's website and was able to save. Okay, so I just got some of the items that I ordered. I've got my two lovely wicker baskets here that I'm going to be using. I think I'm going to be using this one for our cleaning supplies, and then this one, we've got this entryway table. It's always a little bit of a mess, so I want to use this to help organize that area as well. So I've got those two things. Unfortunately, the kitchen drawer organizer that I ordered has not arrived yet, but we're going to power on without it. But it was really nice that I was able to use Cashback to save a little bit of money on all of these. But for now, let's go ahead and get into figuring out how I'm going to be using these to organize my home. Okay, so this is where I keep all of our kind of cleaning supplies for the house, and I figured that the best use for this larger of the baskets would be just to kind of put them all in one place so they're easier to access and so they're not kind of, moving around too much in our kitchen and making a general mess. So let's go ahead and put all of these in right here. This is just like dishwasher, detergent, dish liquid, Lysol spray, extra dish liquid. I think we have a little bit too much of this, but I'm kind of trying to use it up rather than just throwing it all out. And then this is like a natural cleaning thing that I want to switch over to that my mother-in-law gave me with like a concentrated formula, but I'm still trying to use up some of the ones I have opened already because, well, makes sense. There we go. So this is pretty much most of our cleaning supplies for the entire house that I just keep in here. Now they're all in one nice convenient little basket, so I can really easily access them and just kind of pull it out if I need to, if I'm doing kind of a deeper clean. Okay, so this is what the finished product looks like. I've just kind of got everything that we use to clean our house all nicely stored in one basket. We do have a couple of duplicates of things because I sometimes buy that kind of cleaning supply stuff in bulk. But I think we've got a good amount and hopefully we can use up some of those duplicates we have. But yeah, successful first step, I'd say. Okay, and then the other thing that I really want to organize is right here, this little compartment. We use this mostly as a kind of, honestly, dumping ground for stuff that doesn't fit anywhere else in the house. So I'm just gonna drag this over to the counter and let's go ahead and use this basket to hopefully add some kind of organization to it. Okay, so this was a pretty easy project, but I'm hugely pleased with the result. We've totally cleared this thing up. On each layer now, we've only got one item. So we've got a bowl for the keys. On the second layer, we've got all of the purses and wallets. And then on the bottom layer, we've got the books, and then also this little box, which we contain like sunglasses and things like that. Oh, and extra chapstick. So those were kind of my main two organization pain points, and I'm really glad I figured all of that out. But now that I've kind of got those areas organized, I want to switch focuses more to cleaning now. So I've got kind of a mess to take care of in the living room, in the kitchen, and I want to do a little bit of deep cleaning, like cleaning the walls, doing the dusting and things like that as I kind of go through this process. So let me walk you through this, and let's go ahead and clean up together. So for me, the first step really just begins with tidying everything up and putting everything back where it should be. After that, I like to wipe down the surfaces, especially in the kitchen. And when I'm doing a deep clean of the kitchen, especially, one thing I like to do is clean off the stove top. By mixing together baking soda and water, you can create a really nice little mixture that helps to clean the stove top really effectively. And then of course, another aspect of deep cleaning for me is making sure that all of our appliances get cleaned. I don't get to this too often, so taking the chance to deep clean is really effective for this. And I did notice that we had a little bit of our cupboard coming loose, and so I just went ahead and fixed that really quickly as a part of this process. And then after that, I kind of move on to taking care of our walls, which is something that I don't do too often, but I went ahead and took all of the marks off of the walls, as well as cleaned the baseboards, which had definitely gotten a little bit dusty since I'd last done them. I also went ahead and got the dust off of the siding on the doors, and then went ahead and proceeded to dust pretty much our entire apartment. And then the last step is sweeping, just to make sure that we've picked up any dust that may have gotten onto the floors, and as a finishing touch for cleaning the apartment. Well, there you guys have it. That is my spring cleaning routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it gave you some inspiration and ideas. Thank you again to Cashback for sponsoring this video. And remember guys, if you want to get a $10 back on your first purchase of $25 or more through Cashback, definitely go ahead and sign up using the link that I've got included in the description box below. It's an awesome way to save money as you're going through this organizing and cleaning process. That's everything I have for you today though, guys. If you guys have a spring cleaning routine, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know what that looks like in the comments. And if you made it to the end of this video and you haven't subscribed already, definitely be sure to hit that red subscribe button down below. I love you guys all so much though. That's everything I have for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.